I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you're still within Google's recovery window. Act fast because time matters. Use the device and location you used most with the account and have your backup email, phone, and the last password you remember. Open accounts. Google, calm and choose Find My Account or Restore. Once done, enter the deleted address and follow prompts. Make sure to select the most familiar recovery options when prompted to improve verification odds. Now complete the deeper verification sequence. Supply the account creation date or month if you know it because that's highly persuasive. Enter any recent passwords you used, then provide two-step verification codes or backup codes if available. You may be asked security questions or to confirm recovery contacts. Answer precisely and patiently. Once you supply these, Google analyzes signals, how you use the account and device data, so keep responses consistent and do not guess wildly. If verification succeeds, immediately set a strong, unique password and enable two-step verification to prevent repeat loss. Update recovery phone and email, then review security activity and connected apps. If you're blocked, don't panic. Wait 48 to 72 hours and retry the recovery flow with the same device and network, or submit an appeal/account support form with as much accurate detail as possible. A key tip: avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.